In a survey and you've collected the points, one of the adjustments that has to be made is to make sure they're properly rotated and scaled, taking of course the grid to ground ratio that has to be applied. So a very simple tool, bringing in the points, and then simply choose to adjust the points, and you can choose to establish the coordinate for your base point, or you can go out and pick a point or select an actual Civil 3D point. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select the Civil 3D point. We'll select number 8 here, 5,000, 5,000. We're going to include a scale, and we're going to include a rotation. But let's just go ahead and say we're going to pick the scale. We're going to say that we want to set the rotation also. And notice it's asking select second control point. So it's going to go from here, and we'll go to the far end here for point number 7. And then it says specify survey adjustment coordinates. In other words, what are we scaling to? In other words, this distance here is now going to be what distance, and then what angle or rotation. So I'll just pick a point here. It establishes the scale as well as the rotation. Now what it's going to do is it's going to take those points and scale them in the X, Y, and not change the Z. So your elevations will still stay the same as you make the adjustment. You can apply this to a select group of points or all the points. Go ahead and click OK. And notice how the points not only rotated, but they've also scaled or adjusted in the XY plane. A great tool to quickly make some translations as necessary, and then you can bring these points into the database.